All right, to begin installing, you want to grab all your curtain rod brackets. Notice one of them has lines that are different sizes. And then you're going to tighten them together to where you achieve the length that you need. Be sure to measure your wall and then measure out, I would suggest, on the floor. So that way you are pretty close to your total length. You're going to want to leave a couple inches so that way you have room to maneuver on the ends. Now it's time to cut the belt to the right sides. So put the clip on one end, and then on the other end you're going to do the clip plus the extension. You'll cut down to the right size. If you're doing opening from the center, you'll need to do this twice. Now it's time to install the slider. So grab the T-pieces and slide them over the belt. Once that is all assembled, you're going to push the belt and the slider into the slot groove of your curtain rod bracket. And you'll pull that all the way through to the other side so that way the belt is completely looped. And then you will loop it through the end pieces, which will mount on the very ends of the bracket. Once you're finished, both belt pieces should be pushed together, and it's time to slide in the metal spacer piece between and then attach the actual part where you're going to attach your curtain. All these pieces attach together with the two screws to making sure everything runs smoothly. Now slide in at the end the curtain attachment pieces. Make sure that they're even on both sides so that way you can attach your curtains. Now it's time to assemble the tension rod in the final hook where you will attach the curtain to stabilize it at the ends. You will install your brackets on the walls, and then you will attach the curtain rod to it. And once everything is assembled, it's now time to basically put on your curtains with all the little hooks and brackets. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.